Hello everyone. Now we will learn how to access dark web and deep web. If we use Google Chrome to access dark web link, it say can't be reached. Okay, so we will use Tor browser, Tor browser instead of Google Chrome. Okay. Now I am downloading Tor browser. I'm using Windows. If you use Mac, you can download it. Okay, after downloading it, actually Tor browser doesn't need installation. We can see the folder contain the browser. Start. Now we can see Tor browser. And here is the search engine. That's the same link I use in Google Chrome. It works. Now we can use DuckDuckGo search engine. I'm searching for Tor links list. We can use these links. There is another search engines. That lists deep web links. You can use that links. You can use this search engine as you see. It called Ahmiya engine. It's a good. It may take a minute. Opened. Now you can see If we use it with Google Chrome browser, it will not work, and you can use that search engine as you see, and if we use it by Google Chrome, it will not open. Thank you.